the challenge is to create a box that when it's opened, it will display a flashing light and an audible alarm. And I can use all my little bits here. So creating the box will have to be later, but it says only when it's opened will it create an alarm. So when it's opened, it's exposed to light. So I know I'm going to need some sort of light sensor. So I'm going to pull in my light sensor. Audible alarm. We're talking a buzzer. A light. I mentioned a light. So we have the light here. It said flashing light. So to flash, that means it's getting power and not power. So I need something called pulse, which sends the power on and off, a pulse. So I can grab a pulse bit, and then I also need to power my instruction. So I'm going to get my power. I'm going to get this here, and what I'm going to do is plug in my bits. So from my power, I need my power component here. So I will plug in my power component. I'll leave it off for now, but I can check that my battery is on. So when the box is opened, it's going to be exposed to light. So I'm going to use my light sensor first, and we got to keep everything in line. So a light sensor first. And then when it determines if the box is open, light or dark, and we're talking about a flashing, we need to pulse, turn it on and off. So a light sensor, when it's open, we need to pulse, turn on and off both a buzzer and a long LED light, or any light. And we'll stick that on. So I have this chain of components, and if I flick this on, my light sensor is going to be exposed to light. We should get a buzzer and a flashing light. We can adjust or go faster. That's good. I'll turn that off for now. So when you have all these components, they stick together. Something good to do too is take one of these bases, and you can use the little feet in the bottom to secure into the holes in the bottom. Okay, so now, so we have our box that's closed. Inside